Now that Christmas has already begun and in few days the New Year's coming, and I think we all will be partying. But yes, partying in a different kind of a place like this, a sports club bar, is a thrilling experience. And being a sports person, I would want a partying experience to be a little bit different. So I've come here and I think I'm gonna enjoy this evening. Yeah.
How do you usually celebrate New Year and Christmas?
I mostly celebrate it with my family. I want to stay around my family with my friends. So that's the plan. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sachin, one of the partner in Score. He's Vishal, one of the partner, and he's our VP, one of the oldest experienced person.
So what's happening tonight? December to remember.
Yeah. So we are celebrating here with the most of the celebrities. Score is basically is a sport for the sports lover. Those who love sports, like can come and enjoy here. जिसको ग्रुप में स्पोर्ट्स enjoy करना है, they can come here, they can come with friends, family and enjoy here. Basically यहाँ पे not only club, night club है, यहाँ पे हम लोग मतलब म्यूज़िक भी रखा है, ड्रिंक्स भी है, जिसको गेम देखने टाइम में ड्रिंक्स लेने में है और म्यूज़िक में एंजॉय करना है, they can come here.
क्या एक्टिविटीज है? What do we
See, there are n number of activities over here. Now, basically आपने देखा होगा कि लोग जाते हैं, क्लबिंग करते हैं और घर आ जाते हैं. So what more? सिर्फ ड्रिंक करना is not one thing, but with that I'm giving a snooker, a pool, virtual gaming, carom is also there. There are n number of games, which make them busy. It's not only booze. It's on n number of activities also. There are n number of clubs in the market. They are doing very good, touch wood. But yes, we definitely want to give something new. Nowadays, resto bars, sports bars are not in the market. But yes, but sports bar has a very good concept in different countries. So why not in India? So that's the reason we are more focused on this, and definitely we want to give a best facilities and services to our all the clients. That's the reason we are sticking on it, and let's see.
So sports bar concept used to be 10 साल पहले बहुत ज़्यादा राउंडेड था. अभी थोड़ा कम है. आखिरी का एक मराठी sports bar. So what was the idea when you all thought about it?
See, the idea basically, again I'll repeat the same this thing. There was earlier sports bar in Powai. There are earlier many sports bar, but I think 5 years back they all got shut and people doesn't like to go in the sports bar. But why not sports bar? If I'm getting such kind of activity, now if I target the corporate sector, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, they normally shut the office and they want to go home. But if they have such kind of place where they can see the live matches, screening of live matches like soccer, hockey, badminton, and number of games are there. So if I'm screening it everything over here, people can spend their time comfortably. That's much better than clubbing. Although I have all the facilities in the night, as soon as like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 11 o'clock, the music go a little louder, so that they can have the feeling of clubbing also. So instead of just dropping the sports club, it's not we are basically like more focusing on sports.
Yeah. This is our first branch. We are coming with franchisee also. Hopefully, like expansion plan is also there. Next branch, most probably we are coming in June. Okay, and we are trying like pan India level franchisee. This is not just a business. This is something like entertainment, and this is our passion. So people can come like those who love sports and those who wants to enjoy sports with group can come enjoy there. Yes, like, one of our friend.
Yeah, it's a lovely thing. First of all, I mean, ये मेरे भाई लोग हैं जिन्होंने recently they took over this place. It's a lovely place, sports bar है. I think we have everything here to enjoy and not only drinks, from drinks to sports, and a lot of activities are there. People can enjoy and relax themselves. I think after हैक्टिक शेड्यूल हमारा रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी होती है उसमें जितना हमारा स्ट्रेस लेवल होता है दैट दिस प्लेस इज़ द बेस्ट टू टेक आउट ऑल द स्ट्रेस बिकॉज वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ एंड आई थिंक दारू के साथ साथ अगर हम थोड़े से गेम्स भी हो जाए, म्यूज़िक भी हो जाए तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है.
आप कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं? व्हाट्स योर अनवाइंडिंग मंत्र?
Unwinding mantra when it comes to party time. I have never thought about this something like this, and I think यहाँ पे मुझे I will not think about it because this is something which is very interesting. And winding up पहले पी लो, फिर उसके बाद गेम्स खेल के फिर उतारो, ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. डांस करके तो हर कोई उतारता है अपनी, तो गेम्स खेलते खेलते आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी डिसेंट वे ऑफ टेकिंग, आई थिंक बिकमिंग मोर I would be sober. Yeah.
I think with this time, there's some virtual reality inside. So would you like to share your experience?
Yeah, I just recently experienced this one lovely I think game which we recently have. Yeah, I think everybody should come and actually enjoy it. It's not it's a lovely thing which I'm first time I've experienced it, and it's a lovely thing, and it's almost like a roller coaster, and I'm riding a roller coaster. So जितने भी लोग आएंगे वो मेरे ख्याल से I think वो यहाँ तो पीने के बाद वो उतार सकते हैं, और पीने के बाद थोड़ी और चढ़ा लेंगे वो रोलर कोस्टर. इट्स अ लवली थिंग है, लवली गेम यार. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
One more. Thank you. Thank you. Smile on this. Thank you.
आज आप स्पोर्ट्स बार में आए हैं, what are you expecting?
So December is a month of holidays. You're not supposed to work, and Christmas feel is around. I am wearing a red lipstick. I'm wearing red shoes. So the place looks amazing, and my best wishes to score.
So Madhu, how do you enjoy your usually party time, or what's your New Year and Christmas plans?
So I'm working on both the days. I'm performing. I have my events. But yeah, after I'm done with my work, then I'll go party, eat, explore nice places like this.
So any song that comes to your mind?
Christmas.
Yes, or New Year or festivity?
Okay, again a wrong day because my throat is gone. Give me a moment. So I will always sing this song which is about life. Whenever there's a new beginning, I always feel it's a apt song for the occasion. So here it goes. नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. थामा हरों का इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी. कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. ला 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 ला. Zoo 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 zoo. पीले इसे इसमें नशा, जिसने पिया वो पल में भी हंसा. Thank you.
We just do some That's sports bar. How do you celebrate your New Year and what wishes would you like to have?
Okay, so actually I am going out of country for my celebrations with my family, and generally, I mean, it's like always I would like to spend my time with my family, and I'm a very less party person. So yeah, I would like to give Happy New Year to all of you in advance. So yeah, thank you so much.
Sorry, my camera. Only you. Yes. Thank you. Together. No, party boys are here. One more. Everyone in my camera. Yeah. Thank you.
और दिसंबर मतलब इट्स अ राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट योर सेलिब्रेशन कि नया साल जो है वो दिसंबर से शुरू होता है हम लोगों के लिए रादर देन जैन. सो 31st नहीं, वो दिसंबर 1st से ही हम लोगों के सेलिब्रेशन शुरू हो जाता है. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एट स्पोर्ट्स बार, एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वंडरफुल ईयर, एंड आई विश everyone a happy new year in advance. Enjoy, let's have fun. All the best.
I want to score the brownie points today so that I can drink a lot of drinks inside. And the Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, and I want to wish everybody a very, very happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas. And of course, I'm in blue. I'm not in red, the Christmassy thing, but I think it needs to be different. So I'm different today in Desi Christmas. Oops, that's how it is Desi. And I wish them all the very best, and I wish it functions, work, and scores loads of people coming and enjoying it. And the rest I can talk later when I go inside and see how good it is. It's going to be fantastic, that I'm sure of. Thank you so much. Thanks.
So you already had a dash of December, we've seen around 50 days. So December to remember as sports bar only.
Yes, December is the month to party hard, and it's like everybody's in a very rocking mode. So yeah, something I'm wearing red just to welcome the Santa this year. So I'm all excited because December has been an amazing month. Because my just recent show, Gandhi Bar 4, is topping the charts on IMDb, and I'm super excited with that.
So how do you celebrate the New Year?
I celebrate New Year's. I would want to do an event on New Year's, which are a lot of queries in pipeline if something materializes. Otherwise, yes, I'm going to be in Goa in my complete hippie mode, or maybe Bangkok. That's one thing. Both the locations. One of them maybe. Let's see.
How much are you following Big Boss this season?
Well, I am following Big Boss majorly this season, and I'm totally glued to it. It's fantastic.
Who's your favorite?
My favorite, Asim. Asim is nice. Shefali Zariwala is nice. Aarti is nice, but I think Asim is doing really well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See, first of all, I just want actually wish to congratulate. The place is beautiful. I was there inside, and I could make it that this place is gonna do wonders for sure. So ambience is good, and yeah, of course, the party time has started. The whole December, the year-end party time. So what I can say is about this place. It is gonna be the rocking place for the New Year party, for the Christmas party, and we guys are already started this party season from here. So I think it's gonna be the good venture for all of the team, the Score Sports Bar, and the people who used to come over here. They will love the place.
Rajesh, how do you, you're presenting now, how do you celebrate your year at Sports Bar today? What do you have to say?
I think December has started, the party time has started, so it's just the beginning of the next year. So,
हाँ मतलब दिसंबर महीना है, क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर्स, ठंड, बॉनफायर, बारबेक्यू, दारू, so yeah, December is party time.
That's your big party.
yeah.
हाँ हाँ मतलब बिल्कुल.
To end the year with party.
हाँ actually.
Yeah, to end the year with party and again start the beginning the year with the party. Actually. So beginning the year with the party and end the year with the party.
Absolutely, सही कहा.
Yeah.
शुरुआत
पहले बात.
खत्म और शुरुआत.
What do you individually are what they do? Which sport do you follow when you practice?
क्योंकि हम स्कोर नहीं करने आए हैं. स्पोर्ट्स बार में अगर स्कोर करना है तो कोई गेम वेम होगी तो हाँ तो उस गेम को खेल के हम स्कोर करेंगे.
Sports में I'm an athletic, so running, high jump, long jump is my sports. So I hope there's nothing like that here. If there's bowling, yeah, I would like to do bowling. Try my hands.
मैं कुछ नहीं खेलता यार, सॉरी. हाँ मैं पहाड़ों में थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैकिंग करता हूँ बस.
थोड़ा बहुत.
थोड़ा ही बहुत. ओके, थैंक यू. बाय बाय.
Sports Bar का launch है December to November की party है, कैसी लगी आपको पूरी vibe?
Well, I came for Mr. Vishal. ये हमारे पुराने दोस्त थे मिस्टर विशाल, उन्होंने बुलाया. हालांकि मैं आई डोंट गो टू पार्टीज, नाइदर मेरा ये शौक है, मैं ड्रिंक भी नहीं करता हूँ. बट बीइंग अ फिल्म मेकर आई एक्सपीरियंस एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस प्लेस इज लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त एनर्जी है, पॉजिटिविटी काफ़ी है. एंड मेरा पूरा विश्वास है ये बहुत अच्छा चलेगा और मैं दिल से इनको मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ ताकि ये कामयाब हो, इनका ये एक्सरसाइज, ये जो काम के एंटरप्राइज कामयाब हो. एंड आई एम श्योर इट विल वर्क बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, वेरी पॉजिटिविटी, साउंड सिस्टम भी अच्छा है, लाइट, एवरीथिंग वेरी टेस्टफुली डन. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द प्लेस. थैंक यू.
जाओगे आज पार्टी?
Yeah, wherever you go, people ask, what's the score, what's the score, what's the score? This is the score. And score, December to remember. So let's see how memorable they make our December. We wish them good luck.
All the best.
All the best, all the best. As our dear friend would say. And I wish them all the very best. Is she there? Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
All the best.
All the best.
Is she there?
Mitali, you were just ending and celebrating December to remember, the 2019. What do you anticipate?
But this year has been really, really pretty heavy in terms of my personal life. I've had too many losses. I'm really, really looking forward that December ends really well and on a positive note. जिसकी शुरुआत अभी right now I am doing at Score Sports Bar. I thank you Parul for having me over here. I am really looking forward to make my pre-Christmas party more. Thank you. Should I just start?
Yes, that's party time. It's end of the year. You're in the sports and you're at the sports bar. So, how would you score your 2019 party time?
Hi guys, this is Smita Gondkar and I'm really excited and happy for Score Sports Bar and it's their year-end December 2019 party happening, a celebration happening for everybody. It's been a beautiful year for me. A lot of new happenings, a lot of new beginnings, a lot of sports happening in my life again, which probably had kind of taken a back seat for last 2 years. Yes, I just am back from my racing and I'm so happy to back on the wheels after so long. It was an exciting experience and I'm really looking forward to race the entire season next time. So overall, a great year. I want to wish Score Sports Bar all the very best and let us have more and more celebrations here. And guys, I hope we all are celebrating. So, येताय ना आतमध्ये? येणार आहेत ना? Yes, मी तेच म्हटलं की everybody should be in. So, yes, we all will be partying later after this, of course. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Well, I'm first of all very excited to be here. I wish Score Sports Bar all the very best. Mumbai needs even more places like these for entertainment because there's so much stress. Everybody is stressed with work. So we don't need stress, we need score. So great score and Sports Bar, my best wishes with you. And coming to your question about 2019 being great, I always carry this feeling that every year is awesome, and this year for artists, celebrities, MCs like me, it's an excellent time to move around for work, travel for work, and there's that amazing travel going on. So loving it. Thank you so much.
I am feeling, exactly what my color is saying, the color of passion. the color of life, okay, the color of fire, red. So top of the world, it's supposed to be a pre-Christmas bash. I'm coming here for the first time. There's a lot that I've heard about this place. I'm given to understand that it has a virtual reality Xbox enabled game. It has a pool table. It has a dartboard, which is one of my favorite sports. I've grown up playing darts. I'm given to understand that it has an amazing, spread out of food. So I'm looking forward. I'm hopeful. I'm assuming, and in fact, I'm sure that the experience at Score is going to be as colorful as the Christmas festival itself.
So अंदर जाके आप कौन सा स्पोर्ट ट्राई करना चाहोगे? Like which is your favorite sport?
Basketball is my favorite sport. I play that at least twice or thrice in a week, or as often as I get my leisure time. So the basketball is available on a virtual platform here, which is going to be my first experience. So I'm going to do that. And since my childhood, I've actually grown up playing darts. It's been a long time since I've played darts, so I'm looking forward to spending some time on the dartboard. And obviously pool, which is everyone's favorite. So all three of them and whatever else inside. I'm given to understand there's a lot to look forward to inside. So can't wait to join in the celebrations inside. Thank you. God bless.
Yeah, I think it's a pre-Christmas party, so I'm sure that I'm ready for it because I'm wearing a maroon, not red. It's close to red, right? And yeah, Christmas has always been very close to my heart because it's almost my birthday, and I enjoy if something really new lounge or thing starts, and especially for sports because I'm very used to traveling, so I'm very used to going to sports lounge and bars because that's where I connect to sports. And I have been an athlete in my childhood, like a national level athlete in a lot of sports, especially soccer being my favorite. So I'm definitely very sure because I've already seen inside. There are a lot of, every place, every corner has a screen to show games. And as I can see cricket as well as soccer you guys are showing. So, and the ambience is really nice. The food, I have to taste, but I'm really sure that the food must be really nice as well. And the ambience, the section where there's a little bit of music as well. So I think it's a combination of everything, and that's what makes a place really nice, best, because ambience, performance, music, and of course sports and food, beverage, drinks. So yeah, I'm looking forward to have a nice time. Let's see, I've just entered.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, thank you.
Just
All the best and Merry Christmas. Great New Year coming up. That's all I can say. Nice one. Good. Cheers.
Okay, so it's a launch of a very unique bar, which is Sports Bar, firstly, would like to know how much are you three interested in playing sports, and which is your favorite sport?
Okay, so I'm more interested in watching sports than playing. Yeah, true that, me too.
So our sport is shooting from 9 to 9 because उसके बाद कोई टाइम नहीं मिलता कि आप कुछ और कर सकें.
And in Naigaon.
So, no favorite sports for you three?
Me, cricket.
That majority wins cricket.
true,
Yeah,
yeah,
India
cricket,
में
of course.
hockey is the national sport, but cricket is almost the national sport. So yes, cricket.
Okay, so how much excited are you three to go inside and party, because it's Christmas
I think we three are very excited because we get to celebrate our first Christmas
Together.
So yeah, we have just started celebrating, and Ankit was really sweet and nice to get us a cake also. So all this while like we were
And
at
wear
home
this
and
Christmas
chilling.
tree t-shirt.
Yeah.
shirt.
So we three are actually in Christmas vibes, and we three are going to enjoy our time
Yes.
and spend some quality time.
Okay, so all the best to Score.
But how do you three like celebrating Christmas and New Year?
Okay, me, I think I love to decorate the Christmas tree and all of that. I am little girly that way. And of course, I love to celebrate with my close friends, like you can see all three of us. And we are already planning our next Christmas party, which is just going to be our close friends. So I think, yeah, with friends and families.
I think Mount Mary is one place that I love to visit during the Christmas Eve. It's beautiful, the vibe is amazing, and the decoration and the gifts are even more amazing. So yes, and today look at her, she's already Santa.
Yeah,
Right?
Christmas. I have Santa. I think I'm the odd one out in
You're
this.
the reindeer.
Yeah. See, I've got something colorful to match with the outfits. Christmas tree
Great.
with a
You tell me how do you like
Like
he said, Mount Mary. I also like visiting Mount Mary, and every year it depends on what I'm actually doing. Either I'm traveling or I'm shooting, so it depends, what I'm doing. But of course, if I'm free, I like to visit Mount Mary at night, and then of course be with my close ones and spend time with them, and just have a good time at home, like a house party.
Great, thank you.
Okay, so how much are you three following Big Boss this
I think that's a
we
very
should skip
controversial
it.
thing.
The next comes Gone. Yeah, you following
Not really. This is the first time I'm not following Big Boss. Till now I have followed it, but I don't know, I feel disconnected with it now.
Firstly, would like to know about this concept of sports bar. How much is this exciting?
See, I used to live in Malad from last 1 decade, and this place had some other name before, and I used to always come here. And they had a very sporty thing, means whenever you want to see match or cricket and all, we used to come here, and they have this pool table and everything. So it's a very nice feel. You don't only feel you're clubbing and all these things. So you have your own space. You can watch your sports, and you can do whatever sports you want to do.
And also we are celebrating New Year and Christmas Eve today. So how do you like celebrating Christmas when it comes to your personal life?
See, any event, it's a Christmas or New Year, you should be with your friends. And today I'm here with all my friends, so I am very happy. So for me, Christmas is done. And of course, this year was very good for me. Work-wise, very hectic, but very good. And I pray to God, keep my finger crossed that 2020 is going to be very good for me.
Okay, so any New Year plans this year?
I never plan anything. I don't know today where I am. If I'm not performing, because every New Year I perform, but if this year if I don't perform, then I might fly away somewhere. I don't know where.
And how much are you following Big Boss?
I'm not following Big Boss. It's my phone. I'm not following Big Boss, but yes, I'm hearing about Big Boss a lot. This time is very exciting, and I think the best part I like about this Big Boss, there's no commoners. When I got to know in the beginning only, so I was very happy कि एक actor अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करता है. And one actor is fighting with another actor is also not a good feeling. But at least they have the one level. Any commoners coming and saying anything to the actors, I don't like it, whoever it is. So A, I was very happy with that. And B, there's a new concept every month. There is an elimination going on. So the excitement and curiosity is there. And yes, a lot of my friends are inside. So I'm very happy. I don't think I can't watch it because I was there. So I know how it is. So I don't watch it. But yes, I heard it's very spicy. Favorite, I will always support my friends, Siddharth, Rashmi, Aarti. These three I know. So I want them to be in top 3. Rest, they all are playing good, I'm sure. Because masala to tabhi aayega jab sab jhagde karenge. But I think these 3 is doing very good. Yes, I'm doing play, one more play, because I have just finished maybe Ardhangi in this, and I'm doing 2 web series.
And the best part of this year that I got possession of my new house. So I am busy doing my interiors. That's the biggest, but thank you so much. So that's the biggest thing. And yes, you'll keep seeing me on TV and film more now.
As you said, you are doing two web series, if you can tell us about it.
It's too early to tell, and I'm doing one show again, let them announce, and it is again supernatural power and all. So good, I'm going to shoot from tomorrow. So give me 2 days time, I'll tell you everything. Happy New Year everyone, thank you so much.
Today you're here at the December November pre-Christmas party at Sport.
Yeah.
It's a sports bar, such a unique concept. What would you say?
So I would just say people die for such places where we can play, we can have fun, we can chill, have drinks, and be together with our friends. I'm happy to say that Sports Bar is finally it's getting started, and I would wish all the best, good luck. I'll bring all of my friends there for sure, and it's gonna be a lovely evening. That's all I want to say. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, hello everybody.
Okay, so firstly, it's launch of Sports Bar. How much is this exciting you? Sports Bar concept, how much is this exciting?
Right. No, I'm very excited because it's just about a few yards away from my house, so it'll be lovely to come and out here.
But how much you have an interest in sports, and which is your favorite sports?
Everybody's favorite sport is the cricket only, as usual. So it'll be great fun to come and watch cricket out here and have a drink or two, and it'll be real fun.
And also New Year and Christmas is on its way, and today we are celebrating pre-Christmas.
Pre-Christmas.
So tell us how would you like celebrating Christmas and New Year?
I think just think it's Christmas today and enjoy today as pre-Christmas. That's the best. Begin Christmas because see abroad everywhere it starts on the 1st. So we had our pre-Christmas is almost a little late. So let's enjoy it right from now.
But when it's the day of Christmas, how do you have fun on that day?
I usually go partying out and then we go to Mount Mary Church. That is a must. Yeah, I definitely make it to Mount Mary Church. That is one place I don't miss on Christmas.
Okay, so how much are you following Big Boss this year?
Pardon?
Big Boss this year?
Yeah, I didn't follow much because I've been traveling. But I think Siddharth Shukla is doing very well. He's doing a great job, and I think he should be the winner.
Any other favorite contestant?
And another one who's really doing well is Rashmi, who's really another very cute friend of mine. But they're really doing very well. Thank you.
Okay, so firstly, it's a launch of Sports Bar. So how much is this concept exciting?
It is very exciting, and it is very close to my house from where I live. So, and again, it's owned by one of my friend Ratish. So I'm very excited, and I would like to wish him congratulations for this venture.
Okay, so which is sports for which you are excited to go inside?
Actually, to be frank, I have never watched sports, but I love playing sports. I have been an athlete for my school. I have been a gymnast. I have been doing taekwondo. But I think here the next thing that we'll be watching is IPL. So.
Wow. Okay, so as we are celebrating New Year Eve,
Right.
follow the dash in this. So how do you like celebrating Christmas and New Year?
क्रिसमस तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले आई थिंक जब भी क्रिसमस सुनता हूँ आई थिंक इट्स गिफ्ट्स लॉट ऑफ गिफ्ट्स. अब हम बड़े हो गए बट आई स्टिल एक्सपेक्ट कि कोई तो क्रिसमस पे गिफ्ट देगा. एंड न्यू ईयर्स के लिए आई फील कि you should not, I feel you should never wait for a new year to start off something because लोग सोचते हैं न्यू ईयर है तो ये resolution बनाऊंगा वो बनाऊंगा. But I think if you want to do any change or start something in your life, I think it's now. Whatever the date is, you should start.
Okay, so we all have that childhood memory of wishing from Santa. Do you still
Yeah.
do that?
Yes, I do. I still do, and I have 3 neighbors. Like they are small girls. So and they're Christians also. So I always when it's Christmas, I start asking them. It's just, what are you asking Santa for this year? And कभी-कभी मैं भी उनको कुछ Santa बन के gift दे देता हूँ.
Oh wow! Any top 3 wishes that you would like to share with us?
This year, I don't think ऐसे कोई wish है, but I hope to see you all soon wherever.
Okay, so besides that, how much are you following Bigg Boss this year?
A lot. Even if I'm not sitting at home and watching all the episodes, but through Instagram and all these updates, I keep on taking them because my very, very dear friend Paras is there, and I think he's giving a lot of entertainment to all of us. And now Vikas is also there, so 2 friends are there.
So, whole and soul, only Paras is your favorite or someone else is also your
I actually like Siddharth also. So now I just want to see what happens when Siddharth, Paras and Vikas, all 3 are there together, and what are they going to do in the house.
Okay, so as you said, Vikas is your favorite. This time, Paras has been compared as a mastermind.
That's why I said कि अब जब ये तीनों साथ में आएंगे तो it's like बिग बॉस के शाहरुख आमिर और सलमान तीनों साथ में अब देखते क्या करते हैं, लेकिन it's like that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm just trying to make it conscious.
Because this is end of the year 2019 and December to remember. So year has been old and new year, the sports part. What do you have to say?
I think time really flies by. It's almost like the year just started and it's ended. And
a very interesting fact to notice is that within, I think, the next 15 to 16 days, 2019 will come to an end. But also in the next 15 to 16 days, the entire decade will come to an end. So we are going to be entering the 2020s now.
wow.
Think about it like that.
That's an observation. But yeah, it's always festive towards the end of the year, I think, and I think you guys have kick-started it. Thanks, Parul, always for remembering me. And I wish Sports Bar the very best for a great stint for the coming new year.
Okay, which is your favorite sports and for which sports are you excited to get inside and play?
So it's always been cricket because I also own a celebrity cricket team, and it's always been cricket because of my family. My mom and dad have always been fond. But recently I've also taken to football a lot. In fact, I just went for the All-Stars League yesterday to Bandra, and I think that's an interesting sport to look out for.
Well, cricket has to be the interesting and the most favorite sport for me too.
But how do you like celebrating Christmas and New Year?
Christmas and New Year always has to be with friends and family. Or Bombay is a place where most of us are away from our families, so friends are our actual families there. So I think that's what I'm doing tonight too. And 2019, a year to remember to pata nahi, but let's make a night to remember today.
और आज अंदर पार्टी में किसे मिस करते हो?
उसे मिस करने वाले
बताओ निशा।
उसे मिस करने वाले ऐसे कैसे सवाल?
कोई है जिसे मिस करेंगे?
हाँ अपने
तो
पेरेंट्स
नहीं अटेंड करने
अच्छा like that. Oh, yeah, of course. Christmas आता है, New Year आता है, तो we always miss our families. So I think I'll miss my family.
Thank you.
Lucky pack up early. Score Sports Bar. Yeah, yeah.
With good films line up and good work coming up, and today you're at the Score Sports Bar, so you are into sports and fitness.
Yeah.
What would you like to say?
So it's a lovely season. It's a lovely season to watch games. It's a lovely season to watch a lot of sports. So we needed a sports bar in Malad West. I've been shooting in mud, and so it was lovely to be here. I had a pack up early, so I thought I'll be here and I'll witness the Score Sports Bar.
How's 2020 looking for you?
2020 is great. I think I have a film coming up, Kamyam, in January. I have a film coming up in May. That's called Coolie Number 1. And so it's been a sporty year. It'll be lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.